one of the things is knowing how to get your car to do what you want it to do. For instance, let's say you got a Dodge pickup. Probably the croakiest combination you could ever find would be a Slant 6 factory and a lockup automatic. Will it even lay a rubber? Most people say it won't even peel gravel. And when you're talking factory, Super 6, 100 horsepower, that's it, guys. If it wasn't for the Super 6, it'd be at 95 horses. But Slant 6, in all its glory, not known for anything else but reliability, mostly. Some circumstances, pretty good gas mileage. Not so much in this one. So my question is, what do you guys think? Because we're going to try. So do you think this Slant 6 will burn the tires? I'm not talking pouring something in front of the tire or putting it on, wet pavement. No, can I stop on dry pavement and will it burn the tires? Can you get your Slant 6 truck to do that? Most people would say no. In fact, I might even say no, but we're going to try it today. Now, so we drove all the way up to Canada for this one, and then most people go to Mexico. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna let my wife go first, see if she can get it to burn anything. That'll be interesting. What's your plan?
I don't know. I thought about just flooring it. Then I also thought about maybe putting in first gear and flooring it. So I guess you'll find out, won't you?
You got a plan, you're just not telling us. All right, let's see what she does. What happened? Is it slow?
Yeah.
You didn't get nothing.
All right, so do you have a plan?
Absolutely, I have a plan.
Okay, what is it?
Well, it can't be any worse than what I just saw you do.
That was bad. That was bad.
All right, so I have a plan, and although you got a little bit of a history in flooring things, let's see what I can do.
All right, good luck. Show off.
How'd I do?
Pretty good. Show off.
The driver is everything. And it's not that my wife is a bad driver at all. She gave it the beans. There just was no toot. But anyways, how long do you think this is? 100 feet? 150 feet? So if you're wondering, can a stock Slant 6 automatic in a pickup actually get any rubber? Well, not according to 98% of the internet. But we're not 98% of the internet. We're not a 1%er either. Call us a 2%er. We got a long way back from Canada. We got to get going.